Hello Sur Ron community, my name is Daniel and today I have something very special for you. Alright, so let's get right into it. So we all know about this kind of Sur Ron power tuning, which are Santec upgraded controllers up to 25 kilowatts, real beast. We all know about Emax batteries, we have 60 volts, 72 volts battery upgrades. But say for example, you're not ready to pay a very high price for upgrading your bike power, but you really need that extra bit of power in your Sur Ron. So what we have here is, if you come closer to me, this is Sur Ron booster, power booster, which is applicable for 2021 model year bikes with 32 amp hour batteries. It's very simple. For example, right here, all I need to do to make it work is just unplug this battery communication cable, plug this here and plug this here. Sorry, wrong side. I plug it like that. I turn on the circuit breaker and then I turn on ignition and then I wait for this little blinker. As you can see, it's blinking and I need to get it to blink slowly. So it's just about maybe 10 seconds and it starts working, and all it does is that it actually increases your bike power to on about 15%. We will show you video tests of these two absolutely identical bikes, identical gear ratio, identical rider weight. We compared this power booster performance and it really does the job. It's, as you can see, it's really simple. It's already working. It's flashing slowly. It's very simple to install, so you just you don't need any skills to make it work, and you can hide it like this, close the battery cap, and it's all like that. You can also locate it more inside your circuit breaker area. So it's a very simple power upgrade mod. It does the job, it works. It's a great value for the money. If you're not ready to pay for upgraded controller, this is what you need. So right now we will show you the test drive video, how it actually performs, what's the difference. You can really tell that the bike is faster when you have this installed. We recommend this upgrade to anyone who is not ready to pay high amount for the upgraded controllers we have and upgraded batteries. It's really nice and cool upgrade for your bike. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it. We tried our best to show you how this little power booster performs. It's really hard to catch on video, but you really feel that boost. It's a completely new thing for Sur Ron power tuning industry, and we really like how this is well built, well engineered, and it's a reliable thing. It's not voiding your Sur Ron warranty. Controller and battery are very capable of this power booster, so don't worry about life expectancy. Keep in mind again that this thing, it only works on 2021 year bikes and later, but your battery must be 32 amp hours. So there are 2022 year bikes with 38 amps battery. These won't work with power booster. Keep that in mind. Please pay attention to the product description, which is linked below. Thank you for watching guys, and see you next time. Bye.